In today's video, I'm going to teach you a comprehensive guide to adding a new product on Shopify. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we need to visit our Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to your Shopify store by heading over to the homepage. Once you're there, look for the tab labeled Products. This will give you access to manage all the products listed in your store. Now, click on Products. From this page, you're going to add a new item to your inventory. To do this, simply select the Add Product button. This will take you to a screen where you can begin entering all the details of the new product you want to showcase. You'll start by clicking on Title. This is a crucial step because the title is often what catches a customer's eye first. It's important to make it descriptive but concise, giving potential buyers a clear idea of what the product is at a glance. After you've penned down a catchy title, move on to the description section. Here you want to provide a detailed account of the product, highlighting its features and benefits, possibly even sharing a little background story or inspiration behind it. Next up is the media section. High-quality images or videos can dramatically enhance the appeal of your product. Remember, this is where visuals can help bridge the gap between online shopping and a physical store experience. Make sure to include different angles and views of your product. Following the media, click on Category. This helps in organizing your products, making them more accessible to customers browsing your store. Select an appropriate category that best fits your product to ensure it shows up in relevant searches. With these steps complete, it's time to click on Add Product. Congratulations! You've now drafted a significant part of your product listing. Next, we have the pricing details to enter. Click on Pricing. Here, you'll first input the product's retail price by clicking on Price. You also have the option to add a Compare at Price. This can be a useful tool for highlighting discounts or special offers, as showing customers what they'll save. Don't forget to input the Cost per item. This internal detail helps in tracking profit margins and financial planning. Moving on, click on Inventory. It's crucial to keep this information accurate so your customers know what's available for purchase. Shipping details are up next, so click on Shipping. This includes weight and dimension information that's essential for calculating accurate shipping costs. For products with multiple options, like different colors or sizes, click on Variants to add these variations. There's also the option to add specific purchase conditions by clicking on Purchase Options if you want to offer things like subscriptions or pre-orders. Lastly, tap on Meta Fields. This is a more advanced option that lets you customize additional information fields for your product. With these steps, you're all set to have a well-detailed product listing on Shopify. Thanks for following along. Happy selling!